My name is Leslie Culver. I'm a professor of legal skills at California Western, and that pretty much means legal research and writing. Hello. Hi. Can I get a white mocha?
Is a dark chocolate mocha okay? We don't do white mocha.
That's fine. Yeah. What do you think between that one and like the mocha Mexicana? Which one's your favorite?
Like
Okay, let's do that one. Let's do that one. Yeah. Thank you. I have a 3-year-old and a 15-month-old, and they are the delight of my life. You see the world through their eyes, and realizing like how much you teach them on a daily basis and how much the world teaches them. You know, when my little one calls, she says, you know, Mommy, I'm light brown and you're dark brown. I think before I would have been like, no, 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 we don't see color, you know? And now I'm like, yeah, you are, girl. And I embrace that, and I want her to attach something positive to that. So in my Race in the Law class, I asked the students on day 1 to define their race and how that definition came to be. Because owning that, understanding that, figuring out what that means to you, how you define that is different for every single person. And there's beauty in that. For me, my race, in terms of how it came to be, was a struggle. I did feel like I grew up as a white girl in Colorado. So I went to a private Christian school in a conservative military city. Literally all of my friends were white. I feel like my blackness kind of took a road through whiteness. And so my experiences were white, but they weren't. Then going to college in Missouri, which was starkly different from Colorado. Very segregated, so very much so I'm black and I know it and everybody else knows it there, but not really sure what that meant for me. I thought that the world saw me the same way they saw my friends. And I'm thinking like, oh, I'm in law school, I've got my JD, my experiences and my opportunities are gonna be the same as anybody else's, so there was still a little bit of the naivety there, right? I hit a glass ceiling very, very, very quickly. There was no day that I could walk into the office and not be a part of the white world to advance my career, but the white world could completely ignore me. I can put that term of sort of intersectionality on it, which is hitting plateaus from being both a woman and being a minority. The law is very linear. The law is very, this is black, white, there's some shades of gray, but this is sort of how we do it. I started doing photography. It was a way of seeing things differently. In photography, it's like, oh, you want it to be gray? Maybe it can be blue. What angle do you want to see it at? And so that allowed me to almost kind of transform my own view of the world and sort of who I was. When I bring that mindset into the classroom, I want to put a positive sort of pay it forward light on it. That's the thing that I like to do in my Race in the Law class. That's the thing that my scholarship is doing, which is to give voice to these experiences so that you go and you're aware of what may be there and you push through it. I hope that I bring all of my experience from the past. I hope I bring maturity. I hope I bring revelation. I hope I bring a sense of confidence. There's a space in this world that you can own, and that's something that I want to give to my students.